Welcome back to the Garden Gang. So listen, this is just an impromptu trip to go pick up some chickies. So I got them from my aunt's farm, and I just figured I'd show y'all the animals. Hey, they said you was being mean. And all those rabbits, they said you was being mean. I would let you out. I would. I like your fro, but I can't do it. Okay? That was a sheep. Here goes some chickies. I mean, it's a whole petting zoo. Chickies. Goats. Penned goats. Free goats. Got some calves over there. More chickies. He hadn't been scared either.
No, he's not scared.
He was trying to get in there. I just got like 12 or 14 of those dominants, or the black and white ones. Miss Price? Really? She like the chickens and stuff? That is a ducky right there. And with the chickens. I don't know why I thought they had to be separate. I just hope these kids don't stress these animals out. Ugh. Say hi. The goats. They are cute though. Look at your little fat self. You are a chunk over there looking like a dog. Look at you. Really? And the finale. My favorite animals. These have become my favorite ones. Yes, these have become my favorite. They're so cute, and them lashes is on point. Yeah, I do want to. Look, y'all are just so cute. They're just so cute. They're nice. Look at them. How dare you? No, they don't hear. They don't. No, she's telling stories, y'all. You gonna make it through, okay? No burgers, no steaks. They are so adorable. They are so adorable. I think I love y'all. You guys, love is an understatement for the calves that I have. Listen, like, comment, subscribe, vibe, and stay a while.